He failed school, teachers gave up, relatives laughed. Even his dad said, "You cannot do anything." That same dad books a flight on his private jet. He dropped out but didn't stay down. He wasn't dumb, he just couldn't memorize. Maths, nightmare. History, a horror film. Every report card said the same thing, below average. But he had ideas, big ones. He told his teachers, "I want to build an app." They said, "First, pass 10th grade, genius." So he dropped out. Not because he gave up, because he started. While others prepared for exams, he prepared his pitches. No college, no backup, just believe. Day and night, alone, he built, he failed again and again. And then, one investor said yes. That yes changed everything. 5 years later, his startup went global, profitable, scalable, unstoppable. Now, he hires toppers, the same people who mocked him, send him LinkedIn requests, and the uncle who once said, "There is nothing in life without studies," now asks him for investment. He didn't hate school, it just didn't fit his mind. Success doesn't always come with degrees, sometimes it comes with vision. So if school doesn't see your worth, build something that makes the world see it, because some dropouts don't just pass, they fly.